My name is Laura Fernanda Fonseca Redondo. Today I want to share very important tip for your interview. The first tip is to prepare before the interview. It is important to know information about the company and your position. The second tip is to dress properly and be punctual. The first impression is very important. The third tip is to speak with confidence and be honest when answering questions. These tips can help to have a better home interview. That we such mark.